Hello everyone, welcome to Topper IAS. So as part of our daily series, today also we will look into a few news that was part of your Hindu as well as taken from PIB. Okay, so let's get started then. So the first one is with respect to World Intellectual Property Organization. It says World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO) bars Delhi-based firm from illegally using the brand name Khadi. Okay, so see, WIPO, the news is that WIPO has ordered a Delhi-based firm against using a domain name www.urbankhadi.com. So it was using this domain name. It says this is illegal use of brand name. Okay, so you cannot use it. So why did this order was passed? Because this order came on a petition of Khadi and Village Industries Commission against Om Soft Solutions, which was indulging in the business of garments by misusing the brand name Khadi. Okay, so WIPO has said you cannot use it, and there was a petition was filed by Khadi and Village Industries Commission, and KVIC. It is actually owner of several Khadi trademark registrations like Khadi and Khadi India. So the question of protection of patents, intellectual properties in terms of patents are given, uh, and also you have trademarks, you have copyrights and all those things. So trademark is also one way of protecting a intellectual property. So Khadi is a trademark registration which is owned by KVIC. Okay, so coming to WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, is a specialized agency of United Nations. Okay, and what it aims to do, that is nothing but protecting the intellectual properties, protecting the brands. So it seeks to develop a balanced and accessible international intellectual property system which rewards creativity, stimulates innovation, and contributes to the economic development while safeguarding the public interest. So we know intellectual properties a number of ways: patents, okay, trademarks, copyrights, and why it is given to incentivize the innovator, right? So that is how it rewards the creativity and all. So remember, and you don't get confused with trips also, trade related aspects of intellectual property rights, right? So that comes under World Trade Organization, whereas intellectual properties WIPO is a specialized agency under UN. Both are unrelated, okay, not related. So have this fact from prelims point of view, you might get a question. Okay, then coming to trademark, trademark is a name or a symbol on a product that shows that a product is made by a particular company and it cannot be used by other companies. So you need a prior permission before using it. You cannot use it, trademark. Okay, then next one, before next, basic information related to Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Actually KVIC is a statutory body. So it was established by the Government of India under the act called Khadi and Village Industries Commission Act of 1956. So this act was passed in the year 1956. So it is a statutory body, and this organization works under a Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Okay, then the obviously you can all get from the name of the commission itself. So Khadi and Village Industries. So what is it is objective? Objective is to plan, promote, facilitate, organize establishment and development of Khadi and Village Industries in the rural areas in coordination with the other agencies engaged in rural development. So mainly to promote Khadi and Village Industries in rural areas. So KVIC, a statutory body, you remember, with the act name Khadi and Village Industries Commission Act of 1956, and it has trademarks for Khadi and Khadi India. Then next news is with respect to Indian Ocean Naval Symposium, IONS, Indian Ocean Naval Symposium. So 7th edition of Indian Ocean Naval Symposium, a biennial event. So once in 2 years, was hosted by French, where at Reunion Island. So Reunion Island, uh, east of Madagascar. So this is Madagascar. You have Reunion Island here. This is a overseas territory of France. Comes under the administration of France in the Indian Ocean region. Okay, because you might get confused now. How is France related in Indian Ocean region? A European country. So Reunion Island is a overseas territory of France. Okay, so seventh edition of Indian Ocean Naval IONS was hosted by France at Reunion Island. So basically, IONS was conceived by Indian Navy in the year 2008. What it seeks to do is it seeks to enhance maritime cooperation among the navies of the littoral states of Indian Ocean region. So littoral states means states which are bordering Indian Ocean. Okay, so those states we refer it as littoral states. So cooperation among the navies of these littoral states of Indian Ocean region. So that was the idea conceived by IONS. So by this symposium, Indian Ocean Naval Symposium, it provide a platform for all the navies of these states so that they can come together and discuss regionally relevant maritime issues that would be of common that will build a common understanding among all these nations. Okay, then next news with respect to digitalization education related aspect. Okay, see, there was a data unified districts information system on education. A software is there which gives you information related to status of education and all those things. So according to this data, in the last academic year, only 22% schools had internet. So why this news important? Because since COVID pandemic, schools have been shut down, and there is increasing call to make available digital education. So digital education using apps like Zoom or recorded videos. Okay, recorded lecturers through emails, WhatsApp, educational apps. So all these things, so this is only possible when there is schools, teachers or parents have access to necessary infrastructure. So you're talking about digital education, but before that can take place, there should be necessary infrastructure available. So unified district information system of education gives information related to infrastructure. So in many union territories as well as in states of Kerala, more than 90% of schools, both government and private, had access to working computers. Okay. Then even states like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra. So they you see a presence of higher availability of computer. So this availability varies between government and private schools, but still you see higher amount of availability of working computers. But at the same time, you also see a contrast in states like Assam, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh. You see that only 1 in 5 schools, not even one, less than 1 in 5 schools had working computers. So you can see the uh, percentage, right? So less, not even crossing 20%. So this is a stark digital divide, right? And the situation is worse in government schools, with less than 5% of Uttar Pradesh government schools having the facility. So overall average, it comes around 22% schools having the internet. So this thing should be bridged, right? Otherwise, lack of you see a create digital divide that will also lead to divide in n number of spheres: education sphere, social sphere, economic sphere, all those things. So that was it for today. You can also download the PDF of this document in the link that is shared below, and do download Topper IAS Institute app so that you get to watch n number of videos which will help you in preparing for your UPSC exams. Thank you.